Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HFN News. Today is February the 15th, 2021. We're going to go ahead and give y'all an update real quick on Aurora Cannabis. It's been a while since we did our last prediction. It was on our last other channel, HFN News, to which we have done our Aurora Cannabis prediction. As you all can tell, the market did not go the way that we expected it to go, and it happens that at times. So obviously, we need to update you all on what we're expecting to see into the market for Aurora Cannabis and make a determination as to whether or not this trend can continue of higher price movement. Now, before I go into that, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. This is our premise, our purpose, to make sure that we are giving you all information that is beneficial and to ensure that we are all in position on the next price movement. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. Like I said, December the 31st was the last time we did our video for for Aurora Cannabis. And I'm going to zoom in and you all can see here that our expectations of lower price did not occur. So if we were to get out the market right now in Aurora Cannabis, we would see the market currently down 50%, almost 51% down. That definitely went against our particular forecast. Like I told you earlier, it occurs, it happens. You cannot get every call right into the market. And we're just showing you another instance of that particular case. All right. So let's go ahead and take that away. And the first thing you guys can tell that over the last 2 trading days for Aurora Cannabis, the market has seen a monumental movement to the downside. And it's not a coincidence that we're seeing it right there alongside its earnings release. Okay. Now, the first thing that we do here on this particular channel, we always look at the overall trend into the market in Aurora Cannabis. And as you all can tell, we got this line here, this horizontal support line. The market's not even trading around that particular area. It is not even applicable. So we need to change it. We need to follow the market into where the market currently is trading. Okay, so let's go ahead and move this line to the overall trend into the market for Aurora Cannabis. Okay. Because you all can tell that the market in Aurora Cannabis is in a uptrend. So we're going to follow the market. Okay. So looking at this particular uptrend for Aurora Cannabis, we all can make the determination that the market may actually try to test that now. Okay. Based off what occurred the last couple of trading days into the market, Aurora Cannabis definitely is giving us a lot of weakness. So we're going to continue to understand that the market in Aurora Cannabis is in jeopardy of breaking the overall trend, which is right here, of which I've just created. Now, let's look at this market real quick in Aurora Cannabis on a longer time frame, which is a 3-day time frame. And the market here, you can definitely tell that the massive spread that came in on that last completed 3-day price bar emphasizes that the demand that came in from the prior one is gone. Okay, we're definitely expecting the market weakness to continue in Aurora Cannabis on this particular price chart. Maybe we can see something totally different on the 5-day. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the market in Aurora Cannabis on the 5-day time frame. Even here, the market is giving us a lot of weakness. And I wanted to show you why the market found restriction right there around $20. It wasn't a surprise for that to happen. Okay, so when you look at this historically in the background of the chart, you all can tell that that area was prior restriction, right? It happened right here during this particular time frame. May the 12th, 2020, right alongside May the 19th. So for this market to see more selling going on around $20, we should expect that because we have prior history of the trap seeing that area as restriction anyway. So again, that alongside the massive volume and where we close on this 5-day time frame definitely emphasizes that Aurora Cannabis has some more weakness to go through. So we're going to go ahead and forecast that out into the market for Aurora Cannabis. Now, with that being stated and mentioned, I want to also show you that there is a very slim chance, maybe 20-25% chance that the market can maintain the ascending line and go higher in price. That would be the only thing that would go against our particular forecast, is to see the trap come in and support the market in Aurora Cannabis right there alongside our ascending line. So obviously we'll have to skim off a little bit there. So that would probably be maybe around $11, $12. It's not going to be a lot of profitability, but we can definitely expect that to happen. So it's probably about 5%. Okay. So we will skim off a little bit around that $11.90 to $12 area, but $10 is definitely back into fruition, especially in the long term. Okay. We could definitely see the market in Aurora Cannabis go that low in the long term. So that's about it. This is our expectations going forward into the market in Aurora Cannabis. If you guys got questions, comments, as always, let us know in the comment section. Tell us your prediction. Tell us where you expect the market in Aurora Cannabis to go. And that's it. This is our updated price prediction for Aurora Cannabis. And as always, make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.